How old are you? Sir, how old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
Maybe older than you. So, mama. Kom even bij mama, Chloe. Nice. Mama, mother. Mara.
It could be.
Dami sa Bohol sa Alona Beach. Lah.
Trap. Panas.
Direhain masuroy. Ay massage. Ganyan ako meron. Chloe. Strax na lang. Strax. Ha? Ito na day. Na ito yung bingo. Si Urchin.
Mix lemon when you ginger vinegar lemon.
Let me see inside.
Yan, nag-anak mo, ma'am.
Let me see inside.
How old are you? Sir, how old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
Maybe older than you. I'm 58. 58.
Only 52.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No problem, your face is beautiful.
But my hair is gray.
For me, mini white.
Yeah, I want to go now to a barber shop. There is here one barber.
Mini.
Yeah?
Highway.
Oh, highway, okay.
Like running.
Ja?
Wanna try?
Misschien Chloe proberen. Chloe, kom eens. Wil je proberen? De zeester, de Urchin? Probeer maar. Dit is half Filipina,
Ah, yeah. Germany people.
Netherlands.
And
Where now is
what the call this?
former President Duterte now in Netherlands. In Den Haag.
Really?
She eats dry fish, crabs, all seafoods, but maybe not
Not the same.
not the sea urchin.
That's the same. Chloe likes it. The ice cream.
Oh, sorry.
Mango coconut. Lekker.
Yes, thank you very much, those who really guys. Here we go, let's continue our fast music.
Bound to be together, bound to be together. She's in my arms.
My slippers van halen en toen zei ik opeens dit.
It is raining.